out. And what we did is we requested the county disaster committee to meet in consultation with the MPs, chaired by the county governor and the county commissioner. And they went and inspected and got all the vulnerable families that lost all their livestock. And some of the beneficiaries are here, sir. You'll be able to hand over the goats to them. Here we have about 114 breeds for male, for breeding purposes, and about 464 goats. And what this is also going to do for us, Your Excellency, is do breed improvement in this area to ensure that we can give them these pure Gala goat breeds that are very hardy, disease resistant and drought resistant in this area. We bought them from the local community. So we did the procurement, selected from the local community so that we can also up the economy here in the community. And so this will increase their productivity. And as we put these farmers into livestock producing organizations or cooperatives, we will be giving them off-take agreements. Because with the markets that you have opened, our ministry has gotten a challenge where the suppliers and the exporters are saying they can't find enough stock for the market. We did a route to market study and we found out we're only supplying about 14% of the meat that's needed by Saudi Arabia and the UAE. So our problem now has shifted to production, where we need to ensure we can build capacity and give all these farmers off-take agreements. So that as soon as they produce their goats, every week, every month, we come and buy them off them and commercialize livestock like that in this area. Yes, working with the private sector. We are working with the Export Council for Livestock.
And livestock, that part of the marketing.
Yes, the livestock marketing bodies are very important for us. That's Mheshimiwa Elmi.
You are not a newcomer in that space.
Yes.
You know? So please, there is a lot of expectation from me.
Yes.
You know, because I know you.
Yes.
You are a senior member of the Kenyan society.
Yes.
You have been a minister.
Yes.
You know how government operates.
Yes.
You are also a leader.
Yes.
You know how you've been a representative
Yes.
of the people. So you understand the balance between
Itakuwa kama KTDA. This organization,
yes.
we organize the farmers, they produce for the market.
Very good. Very good. Help me, please.
Asante. Unatupatia pesa ya ku start off. Baadaye
So, chanjo inaendelea.
Ona kidogo, ana wape ile picha darasa hilo. Wako in? Oh, sorry.
So you are taking more blood.
I'm getting blood?
Yes, sorry. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So she's vaccinated. You did the vaccination. We have the vaccine place, we can vaccinate one.
As we vaccinate these records, we also give vaccination certificates, which will show who has been vaccinated or not. Your Excellency, how this will work is once animals have been vaccinated, the farmers whose animals have been vaccinated will really frown against the farmers whose animals have not been vaccinated, and they will demand vaccination certificates before we allow movement of animals so that we don't spread disease. So this is a vaccination certificate for Surai Abdi Adan, who's a beneficiary, and you will hand over 1 male goat and 4 female goats to her, to these households.
Thank you very much.
This is
ma had ilaha iskala laakiin waxa way waa mahadsantiin waa mugdiga waa wala mahadsantiin adinkii madaxda dhamaale iyo magaca Ruto waa mahadsan
Amesema rais, wewe na viongozi wote, Mungu awashukuru. Mimi nafurahi. Hawa iti luda we. Hadii ku dhawaagana luda we kuma certificate meel dhigo si kibaanada kale.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. The second beneficiary is Abdullahi Gedi Abdi.
mifugo yako ilipotea?
Arigo ay ka dhamaaday waxba xoolaha hadda imi joogaan. Arigo ay ka dhamaaday hadda xoolaha imi joogaan. Ma hadda koobaad Ilaahay baa iskale, hadda kala madaxweynaha iskale. martida la socotay asaga waa mahadsan yihiin, ma hadad mudantiin. Sid arig noogu gadeen sharafaad leedihiin.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. As you can see, this is a real bottom-up economic exercise. Asante sana.
Are they 5 or 4?
They're 5. The male one will come. Your Excellency, now if you allow, we can flag off these lorries that are full of goats that will now send the same goats and sheep to other various sub-counties, the other 6 sub-counties. This is for the restocking program, Your Excellency.
Mambo yangu imeisha.